This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Carol Cattle. Desirable Barkley Rambler has an inviting floor plan and gas fireplace. Kitchen opens to great room and breakfast bar with plenty of cabinets, counter space and large pantry. All appliances are included. Primary bedroom offers private full bathroom and deck access. Don't miss the den off the great room, which could be a third bedroom. Laundry / mudroom with washer and dryer leads to 2-car garage. Gas forced air heat and air conditioning as well. Very private deck and no hoa-doos. Sweet Barkley neighborhood with excellent access to stores, theaters, post office, trails and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Cattle at 360-671-5000.